Today, we are tackling an absolute powerhouse of a cosmic hypothetical. We all look up at our bright, warm sun and feel that comforting presence. But what if, literally in the blink of an eye, that familiar glowing orb just vanished? What if it was instantly replaced by the universe's most mysterious object? Well, we're going to strip away the sci-fi, look directly at the actual physics, and walk through exactly what would go down.
Okay, let's dive into this. Right off the bat, we've got to address the immediate burning fear. If there is suddenly a black hole sitting right at the center of our solar system, the obvious panic is that we're on a one-way trip to oblivion. Would Earth immediately get sucked in and stretched into cosmic spaghetti? It's the exact scenario almost every space movie has trained us to expect.
But here is where we completely subvert those expectations. The pop culture myth paints black holes as these giant, ravenous cosmic vacuum cleaners, aggressively sucking up everything in the solar system. The reality? Earth's orbital mechanics remain completely unchanged. I mean it. If the sun transformed this very second, we wouldn't inch a single millimeter closer. We just keep right on spinning in our exact same lane.
Gravity stays exactly the same. To understand why we're completely safe from getting eaten, we just have to remember how orbital mechanics actually work. A black hole's gravitational pull isn't somehow magically extra sticky just because it's a black hole. Its pull from a distance is determined entirely by its mass, and because our hypothetical black hole is formed from the exact mass of our current sun, the gravitational equation for Earth remains identical.
And this brilliantly illustrates that one solar mass is one solar mass, no matter how tightly you pack it. Because the mass hasn't increased, and Earth's distance hasn't changed, the gravitational tether holding Earth in its orbit is totally untouched. From a purely orbital perspective, the Earth wouldn't even realize the sun was gone.
Now, while our orbit is safe, the physical nature of our host star has obviously drastically changed. Which brings us to the event horizon. This is the boundary around a black hole beyond which absolutely nothing, not even light itself, can escape. It's the ultimate, literal point of no return. But the real key to our survival is where exactly this new boundary is located.
The sheer scale of this transformation is just staggering. Think about it. Our current sun is nearly 1 million miles across. But to turn that exact same mass into a black hole, it condenses down to a sphere just a few miles wide. A few miles! The event horizon is so tiny and so far away from Earth that you'd literally have to intentionally aim a spaceship with incredible precision just to hit the thing.
8 minutes to darkness. So, gravitationally speaking, we're totally fine. We aren't being sucked in or crushed, and our orbit is perfectly stable. Now, for the bad news. We are currently orbiting a tiny, invisible, light-swallowing dot. Without the sun's massive, glowing surface, we've just lost our only source of light and heat. And the clock is now ticking.
Let's move to and see how this builds. At 0 minutes, the sun transforms. But because nothing travels faster than the speed of light, the last rays of sunlight emitted right before the collapse would still be speeding toward us. It takes exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds for light to reach Earth. For those 8 minutes, humanity would just go about its business under a warm blue sky. And then, absolute, unrelenting darkness.
Earth's freezing new reality. Just imagine that moment. Looking up at the sky, and instantly the sun is just gone, replaced by the cold, deep black of endless space. The stars would suddenly pierce through the daytime sky, but they offer zero warmth. We are now entering a freezing new reality. Without the constant, massive influx of solar radiation, the incredible heat engine that drives our weather, our currents, and our very biosphere is simply shut off.
The consequences for life would be a rapid, cascading freeze. Step 1. Almost immediately, surface temperatures would plummet, dropping well below freezing within days. Step 2. As weeks turn into months, the global oceans would ice over entirely, though, deep-sea geothermal vents might actually keep isolated pockets of life going. But step 3, eventually, the cold becomes so extreme that Earth's atmosphere itself collapses. The very gases we breathe would freeze and fall to the ground like snow.
The sun's actual fate. Okay, let's take a collective deep breath and shake off that cosmic chill. That is a deeply terrifying hypothetical, but it is exactly that, a hypothetical. To reassure everyone watching, let's leave the realm of what-ifs and look at what the laws of physics actually say about the future of our local star.
So, the crucial point is, our sun is completely safe from becoming a black hole because it simply doesn't have the mass. To collapse into a black hole, a star needs to be many times more massive just to generate that crushing gravitational force. Instead, billions of years from now, our sun will expand into a red giant, shed its outer layers, and leave behind a glowing, superdense core known as a white dwarf. No event horizons, just the natural life cycle of an average star.
We can sleep soundly knowing our glowing star isn't going to suddenly drop us into an 8-minute countdown to a frozen darkness. But it does leave us with an incredible thought to ponder. If black holes do exist out there in the deep dark, formed by giant stars much larger than our own, they are quietly operating by these exact fascinating rules of gravity and mass all across the universe. If our sun is safe, what other cosmic mysteries are hiding in our own galaxy, waiting for us to uncover their secrets? Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.